Nordic Cobble is a versatile, trapezoid-shaped paver with randomized cobble faces. It is a great option for borders and accents, grid patterns, and irregularly shaped spaces. It can also be used to easily create circle and fan patterns with minimal cuts. If you look closely, you'll notice the unique exposed granite, quartz, and marble surface of these pavers. This is achieved through a combination of two separate processes. The first is EnduraColor, a special process that combines a strong base of larger aggregates with special aggregates and concentrated color in the top portion. The result is an extremely durable paver with surface color and texture that lasts. We take it one step further with Nordic Cobble with an additional washing process to gently expose the quartz, granite, and marble particles. The trapezoid shape and reversible tapered feet of Nordic Cobble allow for a wide range of installation options, from linear to curvilinear. While the traditional look of hand-cut granite cobble works equally as well with rustic pavers or contemporary slabs. No matter which configuration or application, always remember to pull for more than one bundle at a time, at least 2 and ideally 3. This ensures that any slight color variation between bundles will be evenly distributed in the finished project. Be sure to also visually inspect the pavers as they are installed, setting aside any damaged units to use for cuts. After you have installed all Nordic Cobble pavers, including cut pieces, and before adding any infill material to the joints, the entire paver surface should be compacted to set the pavers into the bedding layer and ensure an even surface. In order to prevent accidental damage to the pavers, a roller paver compactor is the ideal tool for this step. However, a vibratory plate compactor with a protective anti-scuff pad will also work. After compaction, you're ready for joint infill material. Polymeric sand is a popular choice for Nordic Cobble. However, there are various acceptable joint infill options. Just make sure that whatever joint material you choose, it meets ASTM C144 or C33 specification. When filling the joints, make sure the material height is 1/8 of an inch below the edge of the pavers. You don't want the joints to be over full. Then, before you perform final compaction or activate the joint material, make sure the surface of Nordic Cobble is free of residual material. Otherwise, you may risk scuffing the pavers or ending up with polyhaze on the surface that is very difficult to remove. It is critically important that you exactly follow the installation instructions for the joint material you choose, because the installation and activation processes can vary from one manufacturer to another. This video provides just a few tips to help make your project more successful. For more information on this or any Unilock product, please connect with one of our many knowledgeable and experienced territory managers by making a request online at unilock.com or by calling 1-800-UNILOCK.